Wilmer Police Department is searching for Ian Aguilar, Hispanic, male, 10 years old, 4 feet 00, black hair, brown eyes. Victim was last seen at 7:30 a.m. on November 14, 2023, at the 20 block of Oakdale St., Wilmer, Texas 75172, wearing unknown clothing. Police are looking for JUAN Aguilar-CANO, 38 years old, white, male, 5 feet 07, 160 lbs, black hair, black eyes, and last seen wearing unknown clothing in connection with their abduction. The suspect is driving a tan, 2007, Chevrolet Tahoe bearing Texas license plate number KVZ1194. The suspect was last seen in Wilmer, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Wilmer Police Department at 972-441-6565.